Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add items to your to-do list on the Amazon Alexa application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should wait till it's loaded in. And then you should go to your home page, where you need to tap on the lists button at the top, click on to do, and click on the plus icon, add item. Type in the item to your to-do list, so a task that you want to do, and add other items. If you want to, you can share these items and the to-do list by tapping on the share button at the top, or you can also mark them as completed by clicking into the this box next to the item, and it will appear in the completed section. Once you have tapped into the box and the check mark icon appeared in it, you can also hide or clear the completed section if you want to do so. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.